Okay, welcome to section 10.2, sectors of a circle. I want to start off by saying just put your pens down for right now. You should have your circles foldable out, but I want you to just listen. We're going to do things a little bit differently. I want you to just listen to what I'm saying. I will tell you when to pause the video and take notes. So just follow along for right now. All right, so section 10.2 is sectors of a circle. Sectors have to do with area of a circle, so I thought we'd start off reviewing a little bit about area of a circle. Area of a circle refers to the area inside the circle. So I'm going to shade in the area of this circle here. The formula is area equals pi r squared, where r is your radius. And remember, your units, because we're dealing with area, are also squared. So you're going to have squared centimeters or squared meters, things like that. Feet squared also. Now, a sector of a circle is like a part of the area. So let's say we had a pizza. So that's underneath here. We've got a pizza, and I put a circle above it. Let's say your friend comes over, and your friend is a moocher and wants to eat a slice of your pizza. You say, okay, not realizing that he's going to grab that slice of pizza right there. He's going to take all of that pizza. Well, you'd say, well, how much of the pizza did he take? Well, he took 1/4 of the pizza, right? If we really think about that as being a right angle there, he took 1/4 of your entire pizza. Well, that's 1/4 of your entire area. Okay, now this is a very general example. It's easy to see that that is 1/4 of your pizza. We want to come up with a formula that isn't just looking at the angle and figuring out, oh, this is approximately this. We actually want to come up with a way to generalize this and come up with the formula. So let's turn to the next page. Okay, so area of a sector. Remember when we did arc length? Arc length, we took the central angle, which again here is theta, right here in your middle here. That's theta. And we multiplied it by your circumference. Same type of thing here, except we're going to take the central angle that intercepts the arc and multiply it by the area. So over here, inside this parenthesis here, theta over 360 says the fraction of your area. And this right here, the pi r squared, this whole part right there, is the area of your circle. Okay. So area of a sector is nothing more than the fractional part of the whole area of the circle we're looking for. Okay. What I'd like you to do now is pause the video and make sure that you have this copied into your foldable. All right, so let's do an example here. And what I did for this example was I broke up each part of the equation that we're going to have to find. That's the part that you see here down below in blue. Okay? So the problem says if a radius of a circle is 9 centimeters, what is the area of sector AOB? All right, so it gives us right here that the radius is 9 centimeters. That means this OB and OA are both 9 centimeters. Why is that important? Well, that helps us find the area of the total circle. So the total area of the circle is given by the equation pi r squared. So to substitute in pi radius is 9, so 9 squared equals 81 pi. And again, what are our units? Centimeters squared. Now I know this is an exact answer. We could convert it to a decimal. I like to leave it as an exact answer until I need to know that maybe pi is not the best way to leave this. Okay? Sector of AOB is fraction of the circle. So what fraction of the circle is sector AOB? Well, you take the central angle here, and let me highlight this in green. So this central angle, which is 120, which is the same as that arc. And you're going to take that over 360 degrees. So 120 over 360 reduces to 1 over 3. So we are really looking for 1/3 of the total area of the circle. Third question says area of sector AOB. We take the fraction of the circle we are looking for, which is 1/3, times our total area, 81 pi, and this will give us the area of the sector. Now 81 times 1/3 is really 1/3 times 81, or 81 divided by 3, which is 27. Kind of started off with pi there. So 27 pi, and again, our unit, since it's area, is centimeters squared. I accidentally erased some of the 360 here. Okay. Now again, this is an exact answer, 27 centimeters squared. If your book asks for it as a decimal, it will tell you what to round to. All you're going to put in your calculator is 27 times pi, which is equal to 84.8 centimeters squared. Again, the blue answer is an exact answer. The red answer is an approximated or rounded answer. Okay, pause the video here and copy down the example. Okay, one of the last things I want to show you here is the fact that if I gave you a circle, so let's draw a circle, and in that circle, I gave you an angle, and that angle is 135 degrees. Now, if we want to come up with the area of the sector, at one point we're going to have to take 135, which is the central angle, divided by 360 degrees. This is going to give me not a very nice number of 0.375. Okay, this actually isn't too bad. But sometimes you want to leave this as a reduced fraction. So is it easy to convert 0.375 to a fraction? Not always. So what I would like you to do is to grab your calculator, and in your calculator type in 135 divided by 360 and get 0.375. And I'm going to do the same thing on mine. So I'm going to take 135 divided by 360, and it's going to give me, again, a decimal answer of 0.375. What if I want to leave that as a fraction? Well, your calculator here can help you. If you go to the math button, which is right below the green alpha button, and hit math, the first option here is arrow fraction. What that means is it's going to convert your answer to the lowest term fraction. So if I hit number 1 or enter, it says answer to a fraction. So I'm going to convert 0.375 to a fraction, and I get 3/8. Okay? So going back to the lesson here, 0.375 is the same as 3/8. Okay? There's one way your calculator can help you. Okay? All right, you can stop the video here and grab your checkpoint, complete the checkpoint, make sure you show your teacher so they can check you off to go to the homework.